they have snow. Nobody is here.
15,000 feet above sea level.
I don't know if this was a good decision. We're on the hunt for the llamas. This is like paradise. Buenos dias, and welcome to Arica, Chile. So this is the last adventure of our South America trip this year. We've been to Brazil, to Argentina, to Peru, and now finally here in Chile. And the reason that we're here is we just flew into Arica last night, and we're about to get in a rental car now and drive 3.5 hours in toward Lauca National Park, which is supposed to be one of the top sites here in Chile, which we're gonna find out together with you today. And this has been one of the top sites on our list of all South America for a long time, like for months and months. So I'm so excited that we're finally gonna go.
Yes.
So we got a long drive ahead. Hopefully the weather clears up, I'm sure, as we go inland. So let's go. So apparently you can't get into Lauca with a regular sedan, which is why we rented this Jeep. I don't know if it's true or not. That's what we were told. I guess we're gonna find out, but hey, we got what we got. Also just found out there's no gas stations between here and Lauca. So we're getting this extra gas can that the rental car gave us and filling it up to hopefully not run out, and hopefully we make it back. This has been crazy. Check this out. About 30 minutes after getting into the park, which is free to enter, by the way, look at what we found. The volcanoes, and they have snow. We were told that they might not have snow because we're here right at the beginning of August, and they have snow. All right, we're here at our first pit stop at Parinacota Church in Lauca National Park, which is this beautiful old historic church known for its ornate, colorful designs. And clearly you can kind of see that indigenous mix with the kind of Spanish colonialism, which is really interesting and super beautiful and also super quiet. Nobody is here. And obviously, you know, you can kind of see the door is actually closed right now, but sometimes it's open. Not really sure exactly when that happens, but still, wow, really cool.
15,000 feet above sea level. We're right next to the road at Lago Chungará, one of the most iconic places here in the park. For a reason, you can see the view of the beautiful volcano Parinacota, which is dormant, but the last eruption was just 200 years ago.
Which, yeah, for as volcanoes go, is actually pretty recent.
Yeah, pretty
and
recent.
Maybe you'll catch it exploding again. So far, since entering the park, the only people we've seen are truck drivers delivering petrol to Bolivia, it looks like, but there's nobody else because the most popular season, apparently for Lauca, begins more toward end of August, and we're here in July, so there definitely is snow in July, in case you're wondering, maybe even a little bit earlier, but we can't confirm on that. And on our way in, man, we've seen so many llamas and or alpacas, flamingos.
Yes, flamingos. We did not expect to see flamingos here, but we're super close to Bolivia, and I know there's lots of flamingos there by the salt flat, so wonderful surprise. And
there's also these other really cool birds. Kind of see behind maybe a little bit building nests, and it almost, when we got here, thought someone was laughing, but it's the birds. They're so cute, just like observing us like with their camera. And what I really like, especially with the altitude, is that we don't have to hike like we did in Palcoyo, in Cusco, or for Humahuaca in Argentina. So that's kind of nice that you can basically, like what we did, is just drive. When you see something beautiful, just kind of park. So we'll leave the exact locations of where we stop in the description section.
So we actually brought some sushi. So hopefully that'll help us.
We're kind of feeling out of it. I don't know if this was a good decision, but we bought some sushi last night. Hopefully it's still good. We're kind of hungry. We feel like maybe that'll solve our problems or create more. So we're gonna just kind of chill here, have a little sushi picnic in front, and then we're gonna go back to the beginning where we saw the flamingos and alpacas there with the mountain in the distance, because I think that would just be so beautiful.
Yes.
And hopefully find like a way to get down. Let's eat and then let's check out more of the park. Follow to find out if Allie survives.
Oh my gosh, so worth it, so beautiful.
Some of the most beautiful shots and sights that we had. So first of all, we got here and when the sun's kind of in the sky, everything looks beautiful. The mountain reflecting against the water is like, oh, this is awesome. Like, this is beautiful. It's pretty.
Yes.
And then we drove down, like we mentioned before, because we saw flamingos. So we went back toward the beginning of the park, a little bit more toward, and we'll give you the location.
Yeah, we'll try to get the exact location.
And we saw the flamingos and we saw llamas or alpacas or both, I don't know, as well. And we're like, oh my gosh, we have to stop the car and try to get close without getting too close. And as we were doing that, the sun was setting. Like, it was the pink reflecting the water, reflecting over the snow, turning more pink.
Yeah.
So yeah, sunset was definitely the most beautiful.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, it was so beautiful.
And also, there's
can't believe it.
no one. We saw like 2 other tourists.
Yeah, look at this beautiful, no one around. This is like paradise. It's like a dream.
I'm so glad we came.
An amazing end to our South America trip for sure.
Yes, because to be honest, we already mentioned that. It was a little bit of logistics to get here. Fly from Santiago, stay in Arica, get the rental car, drive all the way here. It's.
But I would say maybe if you're coming from out of the country, would it be worth it? I don't know. I don't know, because it's amazing, but like for so much effort. But if you're already in Chile, you're in Santiago.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. This area, we're so close to Peru and Bolivia. This area is like mind-blowing. So I would definitely spend some time here if you're visiting the area for sure. I would not cross it off your list.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, we did a lot of research before coming and like,
yeah.
We don't regret it. Whoa, from all the walking around, man, I've got to say I'm a little bit lightheaded, but
I have a headache.
Oh, it was all worth it. This is
Wonderful
freaking
day.
Beautiful. And I hope you guys enjoyed the adventure.
Yes.
Be sure to hit that red subscribe button on your screen
Yes.
if you want to see more adventures here in South America, in Peru, and Argentina, and Brazil, and all over the world, including our next destination, Indonesia. So be sure to subscribe. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions that we could help with or answer, let us know in the comment section. And as always, God bless. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next adventure. Until then, ciao.